Hello to everyone. This video will be about Eocean 54-inch selfie stick tripod. I will show you what is in a box. Also, I will let you know how to connect your wireless remote control to your cell phone, and we will do a test, picture test. So let's start with the box. Okay, so we can see this is the holder for your device, cell phone or camera, which is extendable to the size of your device. This is the actual tripod, which can be extended. And this is the remote control. The remote control is rechargeable, and we're supposed to have a cable. This is the cable. One small connection goes to the left side of the remote control, and this is the USB connection that can be connected to your laptop, a computer, or receptacle. So these items in the box. The next step will be I will show you how to actually connect the remote control with your cell phone. In this step I will show you how to connect a remote control to your cell phone. I have iPhone XR. So you will need to go to the settings and choose Bluetooth. When you open Bluetooth, you will see whatever you have, connection or not. To connect your remote control, you will need to turn it on, which it's a switch on the right side of the remote. Before doing that, I did charge remote control for a couple of hours. Maybe it's not necessary so long, but it just was away and it was charging. So when you turn it on, your cell phone and remote control will be looking for each other. On remote control you will see a blue light which is flashing. As soon as they're connected, the blue light stop flashing, and in your list of the Bluetooth devices you will see new name, Yanteng. I believe this is the company who produced this tripod. So you will need to click on that name, and your cell phone will confirm connection with your remote control, and that's all. Hopefully you will have what I explained. If your remote control cannot be connected to your cell phone, maybe it's not charged. So hopefully you connected your remote control with your cell phone. This is the remote control, how it looks like, and this is the switch on and off on the right side of the remote control. So now we will do the test if it's actually working. Let's press the button. Okay, it did work second time. We can see that it's made a picture. If you can see, there's two additional buttons, zoom in and zoom out. Unfortunately for me it didn't work. We can try it again. When I press it, it just took another picture. Yeah. So it doesn't do what's supposed to. Zoom in and zoom out. Hopefully it's working with your cell phone As I mentioned previously, I have iPhone XR. Hopefully my video helped you to operate this nice tripod, reasonable price. Remote control looks a little bit cheap, but hopefully I won't drop it on a hard surface, so it's worth surviving. Thank you for watching.